This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eason. Come tour this amazing Clifton floor plan in the fabulous 55-plus community of Cascades at River Hall. This pool/SBA home is loaded with upgrades, crown molding, 8-feet doors, stunning tile plank flooring, smart home entry, quartz counter island in the kitchen, frameless shower door in the bathroom, beautiful wall feature in the primary bedroom, epoxy garage floor, impeccable landscaping with a custom front porch paver area, and so many more you have to see for yourself. This almost brand new home shows like a model and has the most incredible long lake view with eastern exposure. The low HOA is only $321 a month, which includes all your lawn care needs, beautiful rec facilities with resort-style pool/hot tub, fitness center, tennis, pickleball and bocce courts. River Hall Country Club is just down the street, where you can pay as you play golf or enjoy a fun night out with friends or family for dinner and drinks with no membership required. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Eason at 239-213-8555.